to come out of their shell. So he went and met 1,000 people, motivated about 100, finally 10 people they got ready. So this is an initiation of some positivity somewhere. I think it will spread like a infection and many people will get definitely infected. But also one more program what he does is that Matru Deva Bhava. That is the mother and the child, and he organizes a beautiful program. I mean, somehow I could not make it to that program, but I could see the photographs and this thing. I mean, it's a unique concept altogether. The importance of mother and her role, it is spread to the society. So in the same way, he is coming up with this Ananda Nilayam and also other things. So that's what people who spread positivity, they are the requirement of the society, because so much of negativity is going on. The moment you switch on your TV, the moment you open your newspaper, man gets into negativity. So there is always a positivity dose has to be so much. So the dose has to be increased. The positive doses have to be increased in this society, so that it becomes a livable and enjoyable society. I mean, that is what Mr. Gupta and my friend Mr. Jagan also is ably assisting him.
Bothra, my questions.
Okay, yes, Bothra.
We
nice
celebrate Matru Deva on his
Okay, yeah, I saw your photograph.
his mother's birthday.
Yes, I saw your
He is my partner in
Very
Dr.
great.
Bothra. And his mother day is our Matru Deva.
Very nice, that's great. So all these things, I mean, a lot of positivity. So spread positivity, make the society positive and livable. Let us live a good society and this thing for our grandchildren. That's what I keep telling. I mean, let us live a good society for our grandchildren. Each of us contribute. Definitely, I think we can do wonders. So I'm extremely happy. He's told me that you are all coming here. I said I'll come and meet all of you, and also about your presentation also. It's beautiful. So a small this thing about old age homes and all. Generally, I don't encourage old age homes, because parents have to be there in home, because a lot of things the children will learn from them. But there are some families which they cannot afford. So we need to have such type of these things. And also my another advice to you is involve these people with children, because they are missing children. They are missing their sons and grandchildren. In the same campus, provide an opportunity for them to interact with the children, so that they can tell some stories to the children. Even the small children also, they are missing their grandparents. So make a union of these two, the grandparents and the grandchildren, right? So that again the culture and the affections and all, again it will flow in the society. That also will be an added this thing. And this thing also, you need to have a beautiful library. That is one thing I say, clubhouse, and also there need to be a good library. So people should come, read and all, so that they can increase their knowledge and wisdom. That is one thing we can always say. Yeah. So thank you, because I have to proceed to Vada. All the best.
One thing.
Yes, please.
Now, if you see India population 120 crore,
Yes.
so aged population is very high, and everybody cannot have a home.
That is true.
That is one thing. We don't want everybody to come here, but at least one
But
person.
only people who can't.
can't